Hey everybody, welcome back to the Personal Digital Sovereignty Network. Today we're talking about something that hits right at the heart of digital freedom. Valve just pushed a new Proton update and it brings 18 more Windows only games into the Linux world. That means more titles running on SteamOS and more games working on Steam Deck, and more proof that Linux gaming is not just alive, it's accelerating. Let's break down what's changed and why it matters, and what this means for the future of gaming sovereignty. Proton is Valve's compatible layer built on top of Wine, and it's a secret sauce that lets Windows games run on Linux with minimal fuss. Think of it as a translator. It takes Windows specific instructions and converts them into something Linux understands. Every time Proton updates, its more games become playable, performance improves, and the Linux gaming ecosystem gets stronger. If you're new to Linux gaming, Proton is basically the bridge that makes the Steam Deck possible. Valve's latest Proton release adds support for 18 new games, meaning they now run on OS Steam Linux without a hack, workaround, or community patch. This isn't just a list of random indie titles. Proton Update often includes games that were previously broken, unstable, or completely unplayable. Every new batch expands the library and removes one more reason to stay locked into Windows. Even if you don't play the specific game, the update matters because every compatibility improvement strengthens the entire ecosystem. Here's the real story. Every Proton update is another step toward breaking the dependency on Windows PC games. More gaming running on Linux means more choices. More choices, less lock-in. Less lock-in means more sovereignty over your hardware and your software. Valve is quietly doing what no other major gaming company even attempting, building a future where gaming doesn't require a proprietary OS. For people who care about open ecosystems, long-term access, and digital independence, Proton is one of the most important projects in gaming today. The Steam Deck is already the most successful Linux gaming device ever made. Every Proton update makes the deck better without needing new hardware. More playable games, more value for deck owners. And Valve keeps proving they're committed to the long-term support, something you don't always see in the gaming industry. This update isn't just about 18 games, it's about momentum. Linux gaming is used to be a niche. Now it's a movement. Valve is pushing forward, developers are noticing, gamers are switching, and every Proton update is another brick in the foundation of more open gaming future. If you're running Linux, SteamOS, or Steam Deck, go ahead and update Proton. You might find a game in your library suddenly works perfectly. If you're a new Linux gaming, this is one more reason to give it a shot. And if you care about digital sovereignty, Proton is one of the most important tools we have. Let me know what game you want to see supported next. I'm curious what the community is waiting for. Like, follow, and subscribe, or we will be back with more.